Wally. I'm Wally with a chef. I make a cupcake. Today I will tell you. Wally's cupcake, the cupcake.
Okay.
One.
2 teaspoon, 2 tablespoon,
2,
and 3.
3.
How many tablespoon sugar?
1,
1, 2, and 3.
3. Now you mix well. 1.
Cocoa powder?
1.
Mix. What are you doing now?
I am mixing. Which one? Milk! Some milk.
You add some milk?
Add some milk.
Okay, mix it.
Oil.
Oil? You add some oil. Okay, mix it. Really? What are you doing? You add a clear candy in it?
Yes.
Okay. How many candies you add? Ali, how many candies?
1.
And 2 candies. Okay, now Ali. Ali, what are you doing? It's time for baking. Okay, now Ali, it's waiting. Look, our cupcake is ready.
Mama, oven!
Look, Wally. Look, Wally. It's cooked. Any seconds remain? Remains 13, 12, 11,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Oh, Wally. 1.
1. Nita!